it is. Come on, baby. She likes it. It's really thin. And it's my breast milk, so. Do you like it?
Do you like it, baby?
It's mostly breast milk with a little bit of cereal.
With 3 scoops, right?
Tiny ones like of these.
Oh yeah.
And then most of that is breast milk. It's all like what it's all.
Oh baby.
Ooh, I don't know if it. Oh, Lena. Wait, hey, you do it. She just wants to like eat everything. Sit up, baby. Sit up straight. You know how. Come on, baby. Look up. Look up. You want this? Mama, you want this? She's confused because it tastes like me, but she's getting it from a spoon. No, let go. Let go.
Do we still have to burp them when we feed them rice cereal?
No, look at her. She loves it. Like that. It's mommy's milk and some breast cereal. Look at that. Oh, Jesus. So yes, I don't know if it's like hardly any of the cereal. Should I add more?
Yeah.
To make it a little thicker, I don't know, because it's like, it's so thin, it's basically all breast milk. Oh, Lena! No, Baba, let go, let go.